Good morning, student. So in previous period we have seen the first type of present tense, that is the simple present tense. Okay. What do you mean simple? Let me revise that one. What do you mean simple present tense? The action happen daily in our life or the habits of us, that is known as the simple present tense. So here we are going to see the present continuous tense. What is the difference between present continuous tense and simple present tense? Is that simple present tense means what? The action happen daily in our life. The actions happen daily in our life. That is, we should use that tense. We should express with the help of the simple present tense. Now here we are going to discuss about the present continuous tense. Present continuous. The continuous word itself defined. The action is going on. The action is going on. So present continuous tense चालू. In Marathi चालू वर्तमान काल. The action is going on. Action चालू है. So let me repeat the same sentence. Because of that you should understand the concept of the. You should understand the concept of the present continuous tense or simple present tense. I am repeating the same example. If you understand how the one sentence transform into 12 sentences, you will be the perfect. Isn't it? So that's why the structure is given here as like same in simple present tense. Let us see. Subject plus helping verb. Am, is, are. Am, is, are represent, that is the present tense. Am, is, are used as the represent the present tense. So that's why here we are taking helping verb am, is, are. Okay. Then V1 and here one change is there, ing form. V1 plus ing and then object. So in previous tense we have seen I eat a mango. Subject plus V1 plus object. Here we are changing subject plus helping verb. What we are taking extra here? Helping verb. Am, is, are. Then V1, verb 1 form and then ing form. Then O. O is stand for the object. So what the sentence is there? I eat a mango. The sentence converted into I am eating a mango. What we are taking here? Am and ing. These are the changes. Okay. So here he is eating a mango. Here she is eating a mango. It is eating a mango. Ram is eating a mango. Sita is eating a mango. Here, whenever the subject third person singular, we should take the is. In present tense, we should take the is. And whenever the subject is second person or the plural, we should take the second person and first person plural and third person plural. We should take the are. R is represent there, the subject is plural form. Okay. You are eating a mango. We are eating a mango. They are eating a mango. Except you stand for two. Individual अगर रहा you तो भी वहाँ पे वही लेना है और plural रहा तो भी वहाँ पे R लेना है. Okay. You के लिए exceptional case है. So let you repeat with me. Subject plus helping verb and is, are plus verb plus ing plus object. The sentence will be I am eating a mango. He is eating a mango. She is eating a mango. It is eating a mango. Ram is eating a mango. Sita is eating a mango. Then you are eating a mango. We are eating a mango. They are eating a mango. The action is going on. Okay. So here we should take the another example. I write a letter. What will it convert into? This is the simple present tense. I write a letter. What will in present continuous tense? I am writing a letter. I am. Eating की जगह पर क्या आएगा? Writing a letter. Okay. Then he, she, it is same रहेगा. Eating की जगह पर क्या आएगा? Writing a letter. Okay. Here are same as it is. Okay. Then here writing a letter. main verb and object. So here main verb is eating, here we are taking writing. Here object is mango, here object is letter. Here also, what will be the answer? I am writing a letter. Here he is writing a letter, she is writing a letter, it is writing a letter, Ram is writing a letter, Sita is writing a letter. Okay. Then you are writing a letter, we are writing a letter, they are writing a letter. Yesterday I told you, ईट के जगह पर कैसा कि आपको सेंस यूज करना है. ईट कहाँ पर आता है, ईट के साथ कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट आता है, उसके हिसाब से आपको यूज करना. ओके, यू शुड यूज एज योर ओन वे. नाउ सी, लेट मी चेंज अनदर सेंटेंस. आई ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर. हियर व्हाट विल बी द, आई एम ड्राइंग अ पिक्चर, ही इज ड्राइंग अ पिक्चर, शी इज ड्राइंग अ पिक्चर, इट इज ड्राइंग अ पिक्चर, इट इज ड्राइंग अ पिक्चर. नहीं आता है. Let it. Okay. Ram is writing Ram is drawing a picture and Sita is drawing a picture. Here you are drawing a picture, we are drawing a picture, they are drawing a picture. Then I sing a song. I am singing a song, he is singing a song, she is singing a song, Ram is singing a song, Sita is singing a song. Here you are singing a song, we are singing a song, they are singing a song. Then watch. I watch a TV. I am watching a TV. He is watching a TV. She is watching a TV. It is watching a TV. Ram is watching a TV. Sita is watching a TV. You are watching a TV. We are watching a TV. They are watching a TV. Then last one. I go to school. I am going to school. He is going to school. She is going to school. Ram is going to school. Sita is going to school. You are going to school. We are going to school. They are going to school. Understood? So, what is the difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense? The main difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense is that in simple present tense, we should express the things or action happen daily in our life. Here, we are expressing the things which are going on. The action is going on. Whenever the action is going on, we should use the present continuous tense. Understood? Tomorrow we will see the next topic, present perfect tense. Thank you. Have a nice day.